What's up, rock stars? It's me, Mizz KT. Welcome back to our hip-hop adventure. So, we have heard our star sound, and we called out its name, and we even read some of the lyrics to it. But we still haven't found it. Do you think we'll find it this time? Well, get on your feet. Let's rock!
Rockin' and reading with Mizz KT.
They look like they know it. Come on. Hi. Everyone, it's ooh, and d. And t. It's nice to finally put a name with a face or a sound with a letter. Okay, we are looking for I. Have you seen I? I knew it. I is frustrated. But why is I frustrated? That it's not fast enough? A fast enough runner? Oh, I is frustrated that it can't rap fast enough. Oh. Everyone, it's I. Oh, I. We are so glad that we finally found you. Let's go to the stage. Oh, that's right. We heard that you were frustrated, but you can't be frustrated. I mean, come on. You're I. What could you possibly be frustrated at? Oh. Where did I go? Was it something I said? Oh, no. What should I have said instead? Huh. Okay, well, maybe I can smooth things over with I. Will you help me? Okay, thank goodness. Come on.
Tune in next time to see what happens on
Rockin' and Reading with Mizz KT.
Like and subscribe.